Integrating WebinarKit with AWeber enables seamless management of webinar registrants and email marketing efforts. Follow these steps to set up the integration. Access WebinarKit integrations. Log into your WebinarKit account. Navigate to the integrations section in the dashboard. Connect AWeber. Locate AWeber among the available integrations. Click on Connect or Authorize to initiate the connection process. You will be redirected to AWeber's login page. Enter your AWeber credentials to grant WebinarKit access. Configure integration settings. After authorization, return to WebinarKit integration settings. Select the AWeber list where you want to add webinar registrants. Optionally, set up tags to categorize registrants based on their webinar interactions. Add custom fields in AWeber. To capture specific webinar details, create the following custom fields in your AWeber account. These fields will store unique event links and schedules for each registrant. Test the integration. Register for a webinar as a test user. Verify that the registrant's information appears in the designated AWeber list with the correct tags and custom field data.